Birds are more than just creatures of the sky. They are vital to ecosystems around the world. In the Marshall Islands, these feathered species pollinate plants, control pests, and signal changes in the environment. From native seabirds to seasonal migrants, their presence reveals the health of island life. Understanding birds means understanding the balance of nature itself. But now, bird numbers are falling due to pollution, deforestation, and urbanization. This study aims to assess bird abundance in two areas of Majuro to understand the impact. Welcome to William, a quiet area in Atoll, surrounded by lush greenery and minimal human activity. It offers an ideal environment to observe birds in a more natural, undisturbed setting. To collect my data, I used the point count method, setting a timer for 15 minutes and recording all bird species seen or heard within a 100-meter radius. This helped estimate abundance and activity in each location. After the survey, I was able to come up with these results. There's a total of 63 birds from 5 different species that were found in under 15 minutes. I also observed their behavior. The birds were mostly feeding along the intertidal zone and flying overhead. I was able to capture footage of some birds during the observation, for example, the Pacific reef heron, and some invasive species like the ruddy turnstone. While Wilio in Ajaldage offered a quiet, natural setting for bird activity, my second study site presented a stark contrast. The College of the Marshall Islands, located in an urban area, is busy, crowded, and loud throughout most of the week, offering a different perspective on how birds respond to human presence. At CMI, I conducted the same point count survey to compare bird activity and observe variations between the two environments. The results are here. There were just 27 birds from 3 different species from this location. This supported my hypothesis that rural settings have greater bird abundance. Birds play a key role in keeping our ecosystems balanced. This study showed that rural areas like Ajaldage support more bird life, while urban areas such as CMI have fewer species. As development continues, it's important to protect natural habitats. By studying bird abundance, we gain insight into how to better care for our environment and the life that depends on it.